Hello!
Ah! Pwede. Ang arte ng bata.
Hala, police!
Sit down properly, police. Slow. Isa. Mabalian yan. Anak!
Lino tayo!
Huwag ka na maglida.
Ayun, talina!
Lidang na ako. Tiwan-tiwan. Liwat na ito na.
I don't like lay down.
Just sit down. Stress mo yung fit mo.
I don't like to lay down. Sit down lang. Like this, oh.
Oh, like this lang. Listen to Nana and Ate. Sit down properly. Slowly mo lang yan. Then.
Again. Then I put it. I don't know, Talia. Sit
Oh.
down, hold.
Oh, hold. Slowly. No.
Hold. Hello, hola, hola.
Donut. Oh, sige lang, daddy. Yan si daddy. Mapalian! Sinabuha ka na mula pa kayo. Hindi. Huwag mo sabain!
I don't like it.
Ah, that's it na. Oh. Lay down, lay down. Lay down ka mo!
I don't like sit down. I will tell you then sit down, mommy. I will tell you then sit down.
Bakit di taliya mo yan?
Well, dali-
Tignan mo ha?
Oo.
Pakidig doon?
Oo.
Oh?
Papinay.
Tignan mo. Ano? Ah, pwede. Tignan mo ang karot. Daddy, ang sarap sa labas, ang init sa loob. Tatay. Daddy, daddy, daddy.
I will tell you then sit down.
Ayoko na. Tara na, mag-eat na tayo.
Daddy, can you give me more spoon?